CNC grinding machine is a high-precision automated grinding machine. The use of computer-controlled technology can achieve complex part processing. CNC grinding machines are widely used in machinery and industrial manufacturing, watch, glasses, aerospace, and other industries. Our company is a CNC manufacturer specializing in the production of various CNC grinding machines, equipped with high-precision imported grinding machine linear guide rails, high-performance motors, and internationally renowned brand grinding wheels, ensuring product quality and stability. Our CNC grinding machine has high-speed and high-precision processing capabilities, can achieve ultra-precision machining of complex parts, wide grinding range including outer and inner circles, various grinding processes such as flat cone polishing. In addition, our company also provides a comprehensive after-sales service, including equipment maintenance, technical support, grinding machine training, etc. Provide comprehensive service guarantee for customers.